Welcome back to the HUD, everyone. I'm Zacharoni, and last time I was whooped by the Cretin not once.
Oops, oh dear.
Not twice.
Oh, come on.
But 9 times.
Oh, come on!
Until I finally put him down.
Come on. Gotcha! And stay down!
Now we shall continue where we left off, and if you haven't seen the first 4 parts, go and watch those first and come back here later. But those who have, please be seated, and here are the leftovers of the Dishwasher Vampire Smile, Part 5, the final part.
How can they block my machine gun fire with just their guns? That's a bizarre theory. That's a bizarre theory. Come on. Oh, come on. Gee, you're gonna die a lot in this game. Oh. I think he was trying to go suicide there, but I just saved his life by killing him off, really. He can thank me later. And my present is... a scythe? Part F scythe. Oh. The Kamika is great for fast attack and acrobat. Okay. There we go. Why? I'm trying to figure this one out. Oh, I see. So. Okay, let's try this out. Out of the way, electric force field. Here's my present, and it's a flour bread. Plants vs. Zombies reference. Up here. Oh wait, did we go up? Did we go this way? Oh, I did. It's the other way. Oh, we already went this way, so where are we supposed to go next? Oh, now I see. Now I get the idea. I get the idea of this now. Oh, now everyone going up, hey? But am I going the right way? Oh. Whoa. Boom. Another one. I didn't test the new weapon's charging attack yet. Oh, doesn't have one. Umbrellas, huh? Definitely not related to the other component. Bread. Gee, how many bread do this game have? This way. Oh boy. Oh, come on. Now that what I call a combo breaker. Sweet. Anybody else? Good. I'll just take that, and I'll be on my way to the boardroom. Let me in. I got a boardroom pass. Here we go. Again. Oh, no, wait. Here we go for a new boss fight. The Uber Tank 50XX. What did XX mean? I got it. Oh. Darn it. Had the right idea. Well, I think I get it now, because there's a hidden button that allows you to do a little quick finisher. Yeah, like that, like that. Fall, you enemy of Robocop imposter. Oh, come on. Might need some of this. Gotcha. Do you need to take more shortbread? Oh, come on! Ugh. Now I don't have any bread left. Come on, fall, fall, fall. I think I got him. What this? I knew this. Oh yeah. Destroy it from the top. Not before I take you down. Wait, was that the right thing to do? Was that really the right thing to do? I'm actually starting to get second thoughts about that.
Well, that's the final part of this episode, but I'll be playing more of this during my part-time throughout October. If anyone is interested in this game, then you can get it on PC and Mac via Steam for £6.99, but make sure that the graphics are at the lowest settings, otherwise it might end up like this in a few sections. But if you still got an Xbox 360, then you can download it for £6.75. Now you might be asking, do I like this game? Well, check back with me after the end of the month and I'll tell you what I think of the Dishwasher, Vampire Smile, and all the other games I've been playing. And if you like what you see, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. But until then, I'm Zacharoni. Enjoy your pizza, and I'll see you next time.